Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Thakur. I'm a professor at the College of Veterinary Medicine at North Carolina State University. I'm also the director of the Global Health Program at NC State. My research focus is on bacterial foodborne pathogens that impact both human and animal health and also have a big environmental reservoir. I'm especially interested in studying the transmission of these bacterial pathogens from animal sources to fresh produce. The current CPS study is being conducted on a research farm station that has a dairy and a poultry farm. We have fresh produce growing at different distances from these animal farms, and right in between there we have the vegetative buffer zone, which is multi-layer and consists of hardwood trees, pines, shrubs and grass. And the idea is to create an impenetrable buffer zone between the animal source and the fresh produce. We are studying the impact of this vegetative buffer zone in reducing or preventing the transmission of stec and salmonella from the animal farms to fresh produce. Preliminary data clearly shows that this vegetative buffer zone is able to reduce the transmission of these pathogens from animal source to fresh produce. In areas where we do not have this vegetative buffer zone, we can clearly see a higher transmission of stec and salmonella from the animal source to the fresh produce. In summary, our study shows that the barrier is effective in reducing the transmission of stec and salmonella from the animal source to the fresh produce.